Hello and welcome to this first lecture of this new topic on AI-powered dashboards and decision support in this course, AI for Project Planning Excellence. So in this section, we'll give you a good idea of how can you use AI for excellence in AI-powered dashboards and decision support. And we will begin by taking a look at dynamic dashboards, where tools like Power BI and AI or Tableau GPT can represent real-time progress updates with intelligent insights. So let's do that, right? So how do you think you can use tools like Power BI and AI and Tableau GPT present real-time progress updates with intelligent insights? Any thoughts? To present real-time project progress updates with intelligent insights, you need to combine visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau GPT with AI models and live data sources. So it is a combination of visualization tools, AI, and live data sources. Now, what will this do is this will enable automated dashboards that go beyond charts and they explain what is happening, why is it happening, and what to do next. So that's what these powerful tools can then do. So what are the various steps to put this into practice? Let us take a look at them. So first you need to connect, real-time project data sources. You need to integrate your dashboard, with project management tools like Jira, Asana, ClickUp, MS Projects, with time tracking tools like Harvest, Clockify, Toggle, with collaboration tools like Slack, Outlook, GitHub, and with document repositories like SharePoint and Confluence. And to do that, you can use tools like Power BI, Direct Query, Schedule Refresh, REST API. In Tableau GPT, you can use live connections plus natural language query. So those are the things to do to connect real-time project data sources. Then you create a live project progress dashboard, and there you can display critical matrices. What are these critical matrices? You could look at percentage of tasks completed, which with the visual component of progress bars and donut charts. Then you can, visualize delays versus on-time tasks with color-coded task table. You can visualize the critical path progress with Gantt chart and Sankey diagrams, and the metrics of team workload and capacity could be visualized with heat maps or bar charts. You can also look at the metrics of sprint velocity, the measure of agility, and there you could show burn down or burn up charts. And lastly, you can also look at the metrics of risk alerts AI detected by representing them visually, conditional formatting, and icons. So that's how you can create a live project progress dashboard. Then you integrate AI models and Power BI visuals. You need to in Power BI. You can use AI visuals like decomposition tree, which automatically shows drivers of the performance. You can use AI visuals like smart narratives, which auto generates text summaries. Example, text delayed due to QA bottleneck. That could be a summary that might come to you. And also you can use AI visuals like anomaly detections to flag unusual dips and spikes in metrics. Then you need to build your own machine learning model, Python or R in Power BI. And there you can use delay prediction models, risk scoring models, task prioritization models. And in Tableau GPT, you could ask natural language questions like which teams are behind schedule, what tasks are affecting the project deadlines. Can you believe that? You can do in natural language and then get instant AI generated charts and recommendations. And lastly, you can use pulse alerts to automatically notify the stakeholder. So that's what you can do to integrate AI models and Power BI AI visuals, right? You can also add smart explanation with AI narratives. You can embed the dynamic narratives into your dashboards. A couple of examples of that would be like, you know, phase two is 10 days behind. Main cause backend integration task delayed by 3 team members who were on leave. Another example of this would be velocity dropped 22% in sprint 5, review QA bandwidth, and backlog grooming. What are the tools you can use for that? You can use Power BI Smart Narrative Visual. You could use Narrative Science plugin for Tableau or Power BI, or you could use Tableau GPT's explain feature. So like this, you can add smart explanations with AI narratives. You can also enable proactive alerts and forecasts. You can use AI and BI standing for business intelligence, to predict future delays or workload spikes, highlight at-risk milestones, and recommend task redistribution or resources shift. You can also add forecast visuals in Power BI and Tableau. And you can also add DAX measures or Python scripts to flag tasks slipping from baseline and team with greater than 90% capacity. So that's how you can enable proactive alerts and forecasts. Let's take a look at an example of using tools like Power BI plus AI or Tableau GPT to represent real-time progress updates with intelligent insights. The intelligent insights from smart narrative could be that only 64% of the tasks in sprint for were completed on time. Development team is over capacity at 112%. QA handoff delay caused 3 days of delay, and predicted delivery delay is now 6 days unless two tasks are reassigned. So that's kind of intelligent insight you can get uh, from smart narrative. What are the tools and features that you can use? You can use Power BI obviously for smart narrative decomposition tree in Python and R integration. You can use Tableau GPT for natural language queries, pulse alerts, explain data. You could use AI models, of course, for task delay predictions, resource utilization, and anomaly prediction detection. And then you can use data connectors like Jira, GitHub, Stack, Asana, MS Project APIs, etc., etc. So that's a summary of tools and features that you can use. Let's take a look at another use case examples. Let's take a look at many use case examples. Now, if you want to show percentage of project completed, you can use progress bars, smart narratives. If you want to show detection of unusual delays, you can use anomaly detection, explain data in Power BI itself. You can do the detection also apart from showing. If you want to use for forecast mileage slippages, then you can use forecast visual plus machine learning models in Power BI and Tableau GPT. And you can also do auto reporting to leadership with scheduled AI summary and alerts in these two programs. Uh, and you can also prioritize next steps by running task running ranking model plus insight overlay. So these are various example use cases of various features of Power BI and Tableau GPT. So what do we do next? So in the next one, we will look at the second part of using Power Dashboard BI's dashboards and decision support, and we will look at how can you use tools like NLG to summarize project status for executives, right? So let's take a look at that. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on AI-powered dashboards and decision support. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.